Hi everybody, Quadrajet Power here. Just wanted to show you the plating that's now being done. Tyler's done a great job with the zinc chromate plating in the body recolor. This is a 67 Buick Quadrajet. I just wanted to point out the plating and the consistency and the shine and with the equipment that we've invested in for the plating work. We're just very proud of the plating work that Tyler's able to put out now. So just wanted to just give you this quick glimpse of what we're doing now on Quadrajets that come in and want our recolor and replating process as part of the build. So this is the level that we're capable of doing now here in-house. So quadrajetpower.com, rebuild services, parts, everything you need for a Quadrajet. Thank you.